Oh my god, you guys. So I literally just walked in through the door of my apartment. I turn on the cameras, I turn on the lights, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm out of breath. Calm, cool, and collected. Okay, let me take this off. So I literally just got back from the MORPHE store at the Houston Galleria. Shout out to them. It was so organized. It was the best experience ever. I made some friends. I bonded with people. I stood there for an hour and a half holding my pee because obviously if you leave the line, you have to get in the back of the line. Glad I made it home safe and sound with all of my goodies. I got footage of the entire experience, and by the time you watch this, that video is already up. So enough of me yapping. Let's get straight into everything. I want to unbox, give you my first impressions, swatches, everything in this video, and of course, a giveaway. I was able to get one more conspiracy palette for one of my lucky subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe and go to the description box to know how to enter. All the details will be there, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I got, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I didn't know if I was gonna get one. When I got into the store and I saw them, that is the first thing I saw. I just grabbed it out of impulse because I'm like, how can I not have this? This is the handheld mirror. I have to have something with the pig on it. Oh my gosh, let's open it up. First of all, look at this amazing packaging. And as you guys can see, there is a Jeffree Star logo sticker right there. And I'm just gonna cut it open. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Imagine if I dropped it. Oh my gosh, please don't fall out. It's huge. Oh my gosh, this is humongous. And it was nice and sturdy in there. I'm not throwing away anything. And this is what he looks like. How freaking adorable. And as much as I wanted the pink one, black is more me. Literally, why is this the best thing ever? It has Shane Dawson's logo here at the bottom and the pig head. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm just here minding my own business. So they did have the 2 palette bundles in the store, and it was limit 1 per person. So you guys, this is what you came for. This was for one of you guys. I think this is the best giveaway I have ever done here on my channel of anything. I scooped one up for you guys. And let's get into the mini controversy. When you pan it over some light, it does look like static. And that is just so cool. First of all, let's unbox it for the first time together. Whoa. This isn't even the big palette, and this packaging is already killing it. Wow. And here we go with the mini controversy. Oh my gosh. It comes with a mirror and 9 eyeshadows. I don't think I've ever seen a color story like this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to swatch all of this stuff. And the freaking logos in there, what? This is so customized to Shane. It's actually crazy. Now let's get into the swatches. I'll be priming my arm with the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Primer. Just a little bit to make it nice and fair. Seeing how much effort and work has been put into this palette, I feel like it's gonna make me appreciate it even more. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. Obviously, I've seen it all over social media, but it's nothing like having it in your hands. So let's see what this is all about. First of all, the cover of it is amazing on its own. You guys get to see it first. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. The detail in this palette, no picture on Instagram, no video on YouTube can show this masterpiece off. Seriously, you guys, oh, I'm speechless. I think this is the best packaging that I have seen in person ever for a palette. Okay, Shane Dawson's logo is right in the middle, right? But do you see that tiny Jeffree star up there? And it's like sturdy. This is a very sturdy palette. I love the mixing of matte and shiny, the logo in the middle, the font, everything about it. And I've never had any palette come with its own clasps. Did you hear that? That was very tight on there. Wow. I feel like whatever packaging he would have gone at the end of the day, I would have loved it because it's his creation, but the fact that he went that extra mile so that it felt like him and Jeffree, he's a genius. And I'm so glad he didn't settle for something that he didn't want. Now I have this beautiful masterpiece in my hands. Okay, let's open it up together. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, I probably said wow like 25 billion times already. In either of these two palettes, I don't think I've ever seen a color story like this. This is very unique and something that you would want to get your hands on. You have everything you could possibly need in one eyeshadow palette. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I live for. Seriously, in makeup, you have your neutrals, you have your funky shades, and in the last row, Christmas and New Year's is coming up. I have everything I could probably need for the rest of the year. Cancel everything. Cancel every other launch that's coming during the holidays. I'm not buying it. I'm only using this from here on out. There's literally endless possibilities with both of these eyeshadow palettes alone. I'm shook to the core, and we're not even done. And last but not least, the lip stuff. Whoops. And my receipt. Okay, so there are 6 velour liquid lipsticks. I got the full velour liquid lipstick collection plus the gloss. And this is in the shade Shane Glossin. An entire lip swatch video is coming, so don't you worry. Here's the first one. This is I Gotta Go. And this is a bronzy metallic shade. Then we have Oh My God, this bubblegum pinky shade. Next we have Ryland. Ryland is another bubblegum pink, but this is more metallic. Next is Jeffree What the F in this hot pink. And then we have Are You Filming, which is a beautiful red. Whoa. And this packaging, it's like a charcoal metallic gray. And then last but definitely not least, we have Shane. And this is a very unique shade. It looks kind of green, kind of gray with gold flecks all in it. And then the last thing I have to unbox for you guys is the gloss. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with everything. I am obsessed with everything. And Shane and Jeffree together are freaking geniuses. I am extremely impressed with all of the packaging. This is the best makeup launch I have ever seen in my entire life. Everything is 10 out of 10. Shane and Jeffree did an amazing job on this entire line. I'm truly in awe of the quality of the product just by touching it, feeling it, having it in my hands, having it in front of me as a makeup lover myself. It feels good that for once in a really long time, I am ecstatic with a makeup launch. All new makeup gets me excited and I'm like, ooh, I really want to try that. But this is something special. This is something very unique. We've never seen something like this. And it's time to change it up, truly. I've been bored for a second. I cannot wait to dive in. I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches. Some swatched a little bit better than others, but in my opinion, arm swatches don't really mean anything to me, but I know they help a lot of you out there. So that's why I decided to include them. I don't do that very often, but the true test will be as I dive into these, putting them onto my eyes, putting them on my lips. Shane is about to take over my channel completely. I will not stop until I have tested every single eyeshadow, every single lipstick in here. So I hope you guys are excited for the next few videos here on my channel. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.